Welcome back to the best tech on internet. In today's video, we will be discussing the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. This new flagship phone from Apple comes with a host of exciting features that make it worth considering. It boasts a huge display, measuring 6.9 inches, which is the largest ever seen in an iPhone. Additionally, it offers an impressive battery life, making it a reliable choice for those who need their phone to last throughout the day. The camera upgrades and camera control button are also notable features that enhance the photography experience. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we can find a charging cable, SIM extraction tool, and Apple instructions. And the charger is not included as usual. Moving on to the specifications, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the A18 Pro chip and features a 48 megapixels main camera, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 12 MP telephoto camera. The front camera has a 12 megapixels resolution. The device supports 4K Dolby Vision video recording It also comes in a range of attractive colors, including black, white, desert, and natural titanium. During the first testing period, there were a few questions that stood out. Firstly, does the larger screen size make the phone more appealing or too big for comfortable use? Secondly, what is the impact of the new camera control feature? And finally, how well do the Apple Intelligence features function? While some AI capabilities are still in development, the battery life of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is commendable, and the camera performance is exceptional, making it one of the best phones currently available on the market. Although Apple still has room to improve in terms of AI, and the overall design hasn't changed significantly, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a solid choice for users. In conclusion, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a splendid combination of a large display, excellent battery life, and impressive camera capabilities. While there are a few areas for improvement, this phone certainly stands out as one of the best options available. So, if you're in the market for a new iPhone, the 16 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned, soon we will compare the iPhone 16 Pro Max with other flagship phones to find out which is the best option you can buy. Thank you for watching, and see you on the best tech on internet.